Hello, and welcome back to another Wellness Wednesday video with Alessia's Academy. In today's Wellness Wednesday video, we'll be going through a simple art project that can help you ease your mind. Art can be a really nice outlet that allows us to express ourselves, but sometimes it can also just be a way for us to sort through all of the things that are running through our head. Which is why today we're going to look at an example that doesn't take too much effort or setup to get done. Here's a simple exercise that you can do to relax that uses relatively few materials. There's 3 things that you're going to need. Number 1, a blank piece of paper. Number 2, a black crayon, marker, or pencil crayon, whichever medium you'd like to work with. And number 3, at least 3 to 4 other colors of crayons, markers, and pencil crayons. So the first thing that you're going to do is get your piece of paper and your black crayon and draw a whole bunch of different squiggles all over your page, making sure that you're also reaching the edges of the page. The next thing you'll do is choose one of your other color crayons. So for this example, we chose purple, and you're going to color in some of the different circles and other shapes that you've just made through all these squiggles you did on the page. Next, what you'll do is choose the next color that you have and start coloring in more shapes that are on the page. The idea here is that you don't want the same color to be exactly side by side. So you want to make sure that they're a little bit more spread out. You keep repeating step 3 until you finally come to step 4, which is when the entire page has been filled with all the colors that you have. And now you can enjoy your new mosaic creation. It doesn't take a lot of artistic skill and it doesn't take a lot of effort, but it just helps to get us into that relaxation mode through the creativity of art. By the time we finish, we hope you're feeling a little bit better from where you started the project. Listening to music while you do this also makes it even better. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos that teach you how to learn for life and get through school while taking care of yourself. Until next time, see you soon.